Good morning, students. Last class we studied Fun with Paint, chapter 5. We studied tools, description of tools. Now drawing different shapes, how we can draw, what are the steps that we studied. Today we will study about callout shape. So please open page number 57. You can see figure 5.2 type of callout shape. So this callout shape is of many types, like you can see like this also, then like this also, like this also. So if you are reading any comic book or you are watching any cartoon, so there you can see some animated cartoons are there. They are not going to speak. Whatever they are saying, that you can see in this callout. Suppose any cartoon is there, it is thinking something in the mind. So on his above his head now, suppose this is a cartoon. So above his head, like this type of callout will be made, and it will be shown like it is written high. So here you can write hello also. So here you can write good morning. So these shapes you have seen. So many different type of callout and shapes are there. What is the thing you will notice in this callouts? See here by opening, like some speaking they are doing. So this type of shape is also made for showing this callout. Now children, you have seen that normally the dialogues in a comic book are displayed in speech balloons. So this type of callouts are there. Speech balloons, you can refer them. Now let us say you want to use these speech balloons in your drawing also. What will you do? You have two options. Either you draw them by using different tools of paint, or you can make use of callout shape. Paint provides you with three different type of callout shape. Rounded rectangular callout, after that oval callout, and then cloud callout. So if you want in paint option, you can use your pencil, you can use your brush, you can draw it. If you want, you can use these three type of callouts. So you can use these callout as speech balloons. Means whatever the dialogues you will speak, that will come in this callout. Now to draw a callout in paint, some steps how you will draw. See here I have taken the chalk, I have drawn in the green board. Now what are the steps? Click on any of the callout shape from the shape group. You see in figure 5.2, I will show you. Rounded, cloud, oval callouts are given. Here are the steps. Whatever you will select, you can click here and you can expand it. Now move and drag the pointer on the drawing area to draw the desired callout. First you will go in that shape group. Suppose in shape group we want to take this cloud callout. We will take the cloud callout from here. We will move it and we will come in here. Suppose this is the drawing area. Suppose this is we will click here in shape group. This is our shape group. We will come here in our drawing area. After that, you can also fill color in the callout and add text as and when required. Suppose first step, go to the shape group, click on cloud callout, come back, take it to your drawing area. Keep it here. You want, you can zoom in or zoom out to make it big or small. Now you can fill color in this. You want to fill color, you can fill color in this. Now to add color, select the fill with color tool in the tools group shape. Now see here in tools description, it is given no fill with color. So for filling the color we are using this. Now fill with color option will be opened. Which color you want to put in this cloud callout, that is your wish. You can use that color. Now to add text in the callout, select the text tool and click inside the shape. You will find a text box with a cursor inside it. Now type the desired text. Now we also studied about text tool. What is the use of text tool? It adds text. Now go to that text, click there. Suppose here is your cloud callout and you are going to this fill with color option. You fill the color. Suppose we take this color. This yellow color is given here. So we are taking yellow color. Now you want to add text. So go to that text option. Click on this text option. When you will come here, so your cursor is there, no? Now your cursor will blink inside this callout. When your cursor blink inside this callout, you have to type something. Suppose we are going to type hello. That will be entered there. So you are going to reach page 57, callout shape.